when I deal at time, big up on yourself, people. So you don't know, it's your Jamaican friend here again once more. So on tonight's episode, we'll be reacting to Ren because I think you guys have suggested this to me that I should check out this song. So I'll have to jump on it right now. So we'll be reacting to Ren and Sam Tomkins. Earn It. Man's World Falling. No, I know nothing at all about this particular song or this particular Sam Tomkins person. So guys, I'll have to check them out right now. I'll have to check out this type of music. I'll have to check out this instrument. Guys, Ren is so powerful with this, guys. I mean, like, I'm a big fan of Ren right now. As a Jamaican, I really do admire his works, his guitar playing. His voice is very enchanting. Sounds amazing. So, without further ado, people, let's hear what Ren has in store with his friend right now. Take a walk with me. I'll be right back. Peace out.
Oh shit. You make it look like it's magic, cause I see nobody but you. You leave me confused. Hey, I'm so used to being you.
What? Guys, like, I'm not even ready for this as yet. I mean, like, I'm already astonished by this performance, bro. I mean, like, if we are not a fan of the guy who sung this song, what's his name, The Weeknd. If we are not familiar with The Weeknd, a lot of people will think that Ren sung this song for himself, bro. I mean, like, this is amazing, bro. This is amazing. Okay, guys, let's continue.
So I love when you call unexpected, cause I hate when a moment's expected. I'ma care for you. I'ma care for you. Hey, cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. And you deserve it. The way you work it. Girl, you earned it. Girl, you earned it.
Guys. Guys, like, these two men collaborating together, singing this Earn It song is perfect. It's quite perfect. Okay, guys, let's continue. Let's hear.
No, you know our love would be tragic. So you don't pay no mind. We live in no lies. Hey, and you're my favorite kind of night. So I love when you call unexpected, cause I hate when a moment's expected. I'ma care for you, and I'ma care for you. Hey, cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. And you deserve it. The way you're working.
Aye. Guys, these two are perfectly singing this song together. I mean, like, the tones, the way they go up and down with those notes. That's absolutely sick. That's insane. Oh man. Let's continue, guys.
This is a man. This is a man.
Yo, guys. Whoa. That was unexpected. I never really expected that. No, ain't no way. Guys, it was unexpected. Okay, let's continue.
Man's world. This is a man's world. But it wouldn't mean nothing without a woman or a girl. Don't you know the man made a car to take him over the road? Man made the train to carry the heavy load. Don't you know the man made the electric light?
Ain't no freaking way, guys. Ain't no freak. Let's give it up for Ren one more time. Guys. Guys, Ren is a massive superstar, bro. He's a massive superstar. To be honest, he's always impressive.
Take him out of the door. Hey, what of the water? Just like Noah, give the eyes. Man's world. Man's world.
Whoa, I love this so much. And what makes it so special, guys, it is all natural talent. I mean, like, they are just on the streets, just with a few little instrument, and it is sounding so professional. It is just sounding so well, properly constructed, and it's just a freestyle. I think it's a freestyle. It is not nothing that is that pretty, amazing when it's in a studio or something like that, but it is just freestyle, right? They never really expected that these two men would gather so much crowd here just to hear them sing. Guys, that's masterpiece. That's a masterpiece of work. Trust me.
But it wouldn't mean nothing. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. Sometimes I love you. Sometimes I feel blue. At times I feel broken. At times I feel used.
Guys, the change of tempo is sick. Guys, the change of tempo is sick. I mean, like, it is just perfect. The low note goes to the high note, and everything is just so synchronizing. It is just as if it's two couple that is perfectly mend together. It is just a bond. Guys, Ren is just one of my favorites. He's always delivering, and he always have some people around him who can do the extreme best. Trust me.
Loving you, darling, makes me confused, and I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone the way that I love you.
Oh, bloody hell, man. Hey! 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 Bro, careful. Just careful. Hey! You know what you did a moment ago? Was it insanity. Totally. It's off the charts.
I never felt this way. You give me so much pleasure, show me so much pain. I keep on falling in and out of love with you.
Every time that guy that goes by the name of Tomkins pull that note, my brain just melts. Like my heart melts as well. This is what I do like about people who are talented. They use their talent wisely to do something very constructive, because in this world we have a lot of talented people who are scared to showcase the talent that they have, and they think that people will make a lot of criticism about them. But guys, don't be afraid to showcase your talent. Your talent is what makes you the best you are now, because you are skillful enough to do it. Let's continue. This is getting intense. Bloody hell, bro. Guys, bloody hell. Ren, my guy. If you are going to do these songs, please don't forget that we have people. You have people who will faint for this type of music, for this type of guitar playing, for this type of combination. Bear that in mind, bro. You have people that will have heart failure because of this type of instrument and this type of song that you're singing. Ren, you're a goat, bro. Let's continue. That was dope. That was absolutely amazing. Thank you all so much for your suggestions, and I'm looking forward for more suggestions from you guys. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Love from Jamaica. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. A song that was written by Bob Marley. One love. I'll see you next time around.